welcome to Hell of a Cake, and today we'll be doing about a Peppa Pig fondant number. Take the white modelling paste and roll out until about 4 to 5 millimeters thick. Take number 3 cutter and cut out. Take the white impression mat, press down on the icing to get a nice pattern. Take the cocktail stick and apply as shown in video. As shown in the video, use the edible glue and the edible pearl beads to apply to the number 3. Now we'll be making the wand. To do this, take some pink and yellow modelling paste and apply to mould. Turn the mould over and gently take out the fondant wand. What we're going to do now is attach the wand to the number 3 by using the edible glue. Take the pink modelling paste and apply to the crown mould. Take crown out of mould. Now take the gold dust and apply rejuvenator and mix well. Apply the gold paint to crown as shown in video. Apply edible glue to top of number and then apply crown. And here now we have the completed Peppa Pig number. Thanks for watching. Check out my other videos and subscribe to my channel.